Okay, and to finish off your flower arrangement, you can take a nice ribbon and make a bow, you know, depending on what color goes with your arrangement. I don't really think this one goes too well, so what I would select is maybe like raffia, which is like a dried material. And what you can do is wrap it around the neck of the vase like this, and just bring it around, tie it gently, then just make shoestring loop, pull it under like that, pull it so it's like that, and then what you can do is finish off your tails like this. Gives it more of a rustic look and looks pretty and simple. And then just you can also make the raffia into a bow where you make several loops, smaller loops, and then attach it to one of these wood picks and stick it into the center of the arrangement if you didn't want it around the neck of the vase. And then depending on what vase you're using, it's just a simple way to decorate and finish your arrangement.